Our next topic is significance of small scale industries. There are two broad dimensions of industrialization process. First is growth of large scale industries and second is growth of small scale industries. What are large scale industries? Large scale industries such as iron and steel industry, electricity, transportation and communication industries. These kind of industries are needed to generate the infrastructure facilities in the economy. And why we need these small scale industries? These industries are needed to generate the employment opportunities and to promote the social justice in the economy. What is the investment criteria? Investment criteria is any industry in which the investment is up to the 5 crore rupees. That industry is considered as a small scale industries. Then why government is more focusing upon these small scale industries? Because according to Karve committee, and this committee is also known as Village and Small Scale Industries Committee, this committee has been formed in 1955. According to this committee, there are some of the significance of these industries. First, if significance is small scale industry is labor intensive and therefore it is employment friendly. Because this industry is labor intensive and large scale industry is capital intensive, that means large scale industry needed more capital than the labor. Because we inherited capital deficient country from the Britishers after the independence and our country was labor surplus country. So to provide the employment in the economy to this labor force to achieve the objective of full employment, government is more focuses upon the small scale industries. Second is small scale industries shows locational flexibility. That means large scale industries require huge amount of raw material. So that is why these industries, that means the large scale industry generally established close to the source of raw material so that they could decrease their cost of transportation. But this kind of requirement, that means a requirement of setting up the industry at the location of the source of raw material, is not in small scale industry. So this industry can be set up anywhere. That is why it shows the locational flexibility. Because of its locational flexibility, it requires or it provides the equality in the economy and it also provides the inter-regional equality in the economy and contributing to the balanced regional growth in the backward area. The third important significance of small scale industries is small scale industry needs small investment. Small investment, that means any investment that is up to the rupees 5 crore. So it needs small investment. That is why it promotes equity in the economy. Because of its small investment, it does not lead to concentration of economic power in some people's hand, and it also leads to more employment by the small scale industries. So because of all these, because it provides employment, because these small scale industries could be set up in backward region as well, so it provides employment in the those areas. That is why it promotes equality across different sections of the society, which is the main purpose of the government, that is achieving the growth with equality in the economy.